What if I told you that everything you know, your memories, your experiences, even time itself, might not be real? What if reality, as we perceive it, is merely an illusion, an advanced simulation created by forces beyond our comprehension? This isn't science fiction. Some of the greatest minds in physics, Albert Einstein, John Wheeler, Nick Bostrom, and Elon Musk, have proposed that our universe may not be what it seems. The question is no longer whether simulation theory is possible, but whether we are already inside one. Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding of space and time, but even he suspected that reality might be an illusion. His theory of relativity showed that time is not an absolute constant, but rather a flexible, relative experience. The speed at which time flows depends on gravity and motion, suggesting that our perception of reality is subjective, not fixed. This laid the groundwork for deeper questions. If time and space can be altered, could they also be artificially programmed? Could the fabric of reality itself be a sophisticated construct? In 2003, philosopher and scientist Nick Bostrom proposed the simulation hypothesis, which suggests that if an advanced civilization had the computing power to simulate conscious beings, then we are statistically more likely to be one of those simulations rather than the original biological beings. Bostrom's argument is simple. If simulations of reality are possible, then they will be created in vast numbers. If that is the case, then it is more probable that we are living inside one of those simulations rather than in the real universe. This theory gained traction among leading scientists, including Elon Musk, who famously stated, "There is a 1 in billions chance that we are in base reality." Quantum mechanics may provide the strongest evidence for simulation theory. At the atomic level, particles do not behave as we would expect in a deterministic universe. Instead, they exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition, until they are observed. This is known as the observer effect, where particles change their behavior when measured. This eerie fact suggests that reality doesn't exist in a fixed state until we look at it, similar to how a video game only renders the parts of the world that the player is actively seeing. Could this mean that reality itself is being rendered in real time by a system beyond our understanding? Physicist John Wheeler took things even further. He suggested that reality isn't just observed, it's created by observation itself. His theory of the participatory universe proposes that the act of consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping the universe. According to Wheeler, the universe doesn't exist in a definitive state until it is measured. In other words, reality may not be a fixed physical entity, but rather an interactive experience, much like a virtual simulation where observation determines what manifests. Many modern scientists are searching for evidence that reality is being simulated. Some of the key indicators include pixelation of reality, the idea that space and time are not continuous, but quantized into discrete units, like pixels on a screen. Unexplained mathematical patterns. The universe operates on strict mathematical laws, almost as if it were programmed with an underlying code. Cosmic limits to computation. The observable universe may have fundamental constraints on information processing, similar to how a computer has finite processing power. One of the most famous pieces of evidence comes from quantum entanglement, where two particles remain connected across vast distances, reacting to each other instantly. This non-local interaction defies classical physics and suggests that information is being processed beyond space-time, much like a computer transferring data instantly across different nodes. If we are living in a simulated reality, what does that mean? Are we part of an experiment, a creation of a higher intelligence? And if so, can we break out? Some scientists speculate that if we are inside a simulation, anomalies, such as glitches in physics, unexplained synchronicities, or seemingly programmed events, could provide clues to its existence. The biggest question remains: who or what is running the simulation? Are we the product of an ancient civilization's experiment, a futuristic AI's creation, or something even stranger, an elaborate construct designed by an intelligence beyond human comprehension? The deeper we investigate reality, the more we realize how little we truly know. Whether we are in a simulation or not, one thing is clear: the nature of existence is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. What do you think? Is reality an advanced simulation? Is there proof we are living inside a cosmic program? Or is this just another way for us to explain the unexplainable? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if this video made you question your reality, share it with someone who dares to challenge the nature of existence. The truth is out there, if you're willing to see it.